is AWS? In this lecture we will see what is AWS and some use cases of service provider or cloud service provider. AWS is a complete software suite or cloud service provider which is highly secure. It provides us compute power, storage capacity, database, and other lots of services which we will discuss in upcoming slide. And when we talk about in market which is the best, and it has a various reason to be the best in the market. One begin is flexibility and scalability and also pricing. Other reason being its compute capacity. As we discussed before, why it is so important to compute capacity. Well, if we talk about the compute capacity, we need to understand one thing. If we take all the other cloud service provider in the market and we combine the compute capacity that is leave out AWS, and we take all other into consideration, this is would be somewhere equal to say X, and if we compare it with AWS, it is 6x. So AWS has more compute capacity, which is 6 times more than all other service provider that are there in the market. That is huge amount. So these are the reason that make AWS best in the market. Let's try to find out what are the other reason about AWS that make it so good. What are the services, features, and its usage basically. So now we will discuss some use case now. Okay, use case in manufacturing. First we will talk about example of manufacturing. If we see a manufacturing organization, now the main focus is to manufacture goods, but most of the businesses they focus so much on various other services and practices that need to be taken care of, that they can't focus on the manufacturing goal. So this is why AWS step in and they take care all the its IT infrastructure and management. That means business are free to focus on manufacturing, and they can actually go ahead and expand a lot architecture consulting now. The main concern is prototyping and work on that. Architecture consulting. Second use case, architecting consulting. The main concern is prototyping and work on that. AWS take care both of the issue. It's let us have to add automated or speed up rendering, and as far as prototyping is concerned, and it is why architectural business benefit a lot when we talk about AWS or any other cloud provider. But AWS being the best in the market, again their services are the best. Now if we talk about third use case, that is media company. Now media company has a company. Now as far as media company, goes, the main concern is generating content and the place to dump it out to store it again. AWS take care of all this situation or both the situation. Now in another use case, that is large enterprises. Large enterprises, when we talk about large enterprises, their reach is worldwide, so they have to reach the customer and employ globally or across different places. So AWS give us option because it has a global architecture and our reach can be very wide. As far as these points are concerned, the advantage of AWS. Now in next lecture we will talk about advantage of AWS. Thank you.